Alright guys, that's just going around and picking for a couple minutes. That is a big, deep bowl of berries. We got plums in the orchard ripening like crazy. There's one plum tree. There's two plum trees. There's three plum trees, right? This is a huge muscadine grapevine that will be giving grapes this year. And our secondary blackberry patch. We haven't even pulled a single blackberry from this patch yet. And it's huge. It's like very big along that fence line, right? Little veggie garden here. Built that for my wife on Mother's Day. She wanted a raised bed area for her vegetables, right? Back here we got our pear row. Pears are coming in real nice this year. And again, we didn't start planting any of this until 2023, 2 years ago. Here's our apple row, right? It's a Yellow Delicious apple, and we got an Arkansas Black. In this little bed here, we have the Colomar Tasty Red, which has got apples this year. And then we have apricots, we have nectarines, red gold nectarine, and we have peaches off the wazoo, Sonny. We got more peaches than we know what to do with. Lots and lots of peaches. We got a whole 3-tier raised bed full of strawberries. It's been pumping them out since early spring. We've got all these blackberries back here. Just crazy with the blackberries, right? And then over here is our world famous raspberry patch. They are thornless in raspberry terms, right? But in reality terms, they got little freaking spikes and they get kind of hairy. So that's why I put this thing in here to kind of force myself a path, because they've even overgrown these big circular pavers I set down in there. We've got pomegranates coming. Guys, we got lots and lots and lots of beautiful, beautiful stuff happening on the orchard right now and in the garden in general. It's just really a nice time of year.